Applying for jobs but not getting any interview calls. Recruiters reject job applications for many reasons, but don't worry. I will break down the top 5 reasons why your job application is rejected and how you can fix them. Let's get into the video. Manoj here, a product manager and content creator with 5+ years experience. The first reason is your resume is not ATS friendly. This is a major reason why many of the job applications are getting rejected. I've talked to lot of talent acquisition specialists and I understood this. Did you know that most resumes get rejected even before a human sees them? That's because of the ATS, application tracking system. So companies get thousands of applications. So ATS automatically rejects them based on keywords and readability. What are the common mistakes you make and what are the fixes you can do to? First is fancy fonts, graphics and tables confuse ATS. Use a clean, simple format with standard fonts like Arial, Times New Roman. Second, missing relevant keywords. Include keywords from the job description. Third is wrong file format. Don't use image-based PDF or image. Use either a docs format or a properly formatted PDF. The second reason why your job application is getting rejected is because of lack of relevant experience. Recently, I did a podcast with a recruiter and I got to know that 90% of the applicants are getting rejected because they don't have a relevant experience. If your experience doesn't match the role, recruiters will obviously reject you. But still, you can position yourself as a great candidate and better fit for the role. First is applying for roles without highlighting the transferable skills. Example, let's say you are a marketer and you want to become a product manager. You can highlight the relevant skills like stakeholder management, collaboration, understanding, analytics, etc. Second is not tailoring your resume to the job. Focus on relevant achievements and past experiences and highlight them. Not highlighting the measurable impact you have created in the past role. Always quantify your impact. Use numbers to show impact. Example, increase sales by 20%. Something like this. The third reason why you are getting rejected is generic cover letter or no cover letter. So for people who don't know cover letter, here's a quick explanation. A cover letter is nothing but a letter which you write to the hiring manager where you highlight what are the relevant skills and experiences you have and how you are the best fit for the role. A cover letter isn't just a formality, it's your chance to stand out. But most of the job applicants, job seekers use a generic one and it can ruin your chance of getting selected. Common mistakes is copy and pasting the same cover letter for every job. Don't do that. Instead, personalize the cover letter and mention the company and the role. Second, not addressing the hiring manager or company specifically. Like using a generic one and just mentioning dear hiring manager. Instead, specifically mention the hiring manager's name and the company name. Too long or too vague. Instead, keep it concise, 3 to 4 paragraphs max. The fourth reason why you are getting rejected is resume red flags. Recruiters spot red flags like frequent gaps in your career or frequent job hopping. If you don't address them, they might assume and reject you. First, large unexplained gaps in the work history. Address these gaps in your cover letter using career break and upskilling. Too many short-term jobs without explanation. Highlight the career progression and learning experience instead. Inconsistent job titles and responsibilities. So yeah, you would have been in different roles, right? But be honest and frame it positively and how you will stay in this role for a long term. Next, poor online presence. This is the fifth reason for rejection. Recruiters will Google you after they find your profile. If your LinkedIn is outdated or unprofessional, or in some cases, some people don't have an online presence, right? It could cost you an opportunity and you will get rejected. Incomplete or outdated LinkedIn profile. Instead, keep your LinkedIn updated with recent experience and a good professional photo. Unprofessional social media activity. Remove any inappropriate or unwanted content that you have posted from your public professional social medias like LinkedIn or Twitter. No portfolio for roles that require one. For example, if you're a product designer or product manager, it is very important to showcase your case study. Fix these mistakes and you will get your dream job easily and you will get shortlisted. Have you made any of these errors before? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more career tips. Thank you and have a nice day.